Swami Vivekananda says in Panchadasi 7210, Vivinchita Bhoktritvam Jagritadisu Asangata Anvaya Vyatirikabhyam Sakchani Adhyavasyete. By discriminating the truth of enjoyer through the method of Anvaya Vyatirik, that is distinguishing between the variable and invariable, detached nature of the witness, to all the three states of experiences can be none. Anvaya indicates coexistence, that is presence of a particular thing where another exists. For example, smoke and fire. Vyatirik indicates the absence of one of them when another is absent. For example, no smoke, no fire. The self is present in all states, but the experience of one state is not in the other. Hence, they are not coexistent with the self. Verse 211-212 says, Yatra yat dishite dasta jagrat swapna susuptisu tatra ev tatno itariti anbhutir hi sammata. It is common experience that the states of waking, dreaming and deep sleep are distinct from one another, but that the experiencing consciousness is the same. So yat tatra ikste kinchit ten ananvagato bhavet dishta punyam papam cha iti evam sutisu dindima. The Suti trumpets that whatever objects are cognized by the self in any state, whether meritorious or unmeritorious, producing pleasure or pain, are not carried over from one state to the other. Vedantic Upanishad 4.3.16 says, Sova yes etasmin swapne ratva rachitva dishte punyam cha papam cha पुनः प्रतिन्यायम प्रतियो न द्रवति बुद्धांताये सो यत तत्र किंचित पश्यति अनन्वागतस्तेन भवति असंगो हि अयम पुरुषः इति. After enjoying himself and roaming in the dream state and merely seeing the results of good and evil, he comes back in the inverse order to his former condition, the waking state. He is untouched by whatever he sees in that state, for this infinite being is unattached. Verse 213-214 says, Jagrat Swapna Susupti Adi Prapanch Yat Prakashte Tad Brahma Aham Iti Gyatva Sarvandai Pramuchate. When a man realizes his identity with that Brahman which illumines the worlds of waking, dreaming and deep sleep, he is released from all bonds, as said in Kaivalya Upanishad 1:17 or 20. Ek ev atma mantapyo jagrat swapna susuptisu asthantraya व्यतीतस्य पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. One should consider the self to be the same in waking, dreaming and deep sleep. That self which knows itself as beyond the three states is free from rebirth, as said in Brahma or Amrit Bindu Upanishad 11. Verse 215-216 says, Tesu dhamasu yad bhogyam bhokta bhogasya yad bhavet tebhyo vilakshana sakshi chin matro aham sadasiva. That self which is not subject to experience in any of the three states, and who is the witness, pure consciousness, ever auspicious, distinct from the enjoyer and enjoyment, that I am. एवं विवेचिते तत्वे विज्ञानमय शब्दतः चिदाभासो विकारियो भोक्तित्वं तस्य शिष्यते. When the truth of the self has been discerned in this way, what remains is the enjoyer, changing Chidabhas, none as the Vijnanmaya cause, the seat of intellect.